slamming.
We're moving up at lightning speed, yeah. Take a seat and wait till I'm ready. I'm coming, so hold on steady, yeah. Big ship sailing on the ocean. We don't need no commotion. Big ship sailing on the ocean. Whoa, whoa, yeah. Say big ship sailing on the ocean. Ship sailing on the ocean. Whoa, whoa, whoa. There's a time when the sea gets rough, the wind is blowing and the fishes keep moving. What are you doing, Mr. Man? Sit down, hold on tight, get ready, cause we're sailing. Big ship sailing on the ocean. We don't need no commotion. Big ship sailing on the ocean. Get ready, cause we're moving. Big ship sailing on the ocean. Whoa, 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 yeah. Big ship sailing on the ocean. Whoa, yeah. Say when I'm ready, you must hold on steady. We're moving up at lightning speed, yeah. Take a seat and just wait till I'm ready. I'm coming, I'm coming. Hold on steady, cause big ship sailing on the ocean. We don't need no commotion. Big ship sailing on the ocean. We got to come over. Big ship sailing on the ocean. Whoa, 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 whoa. Say we're sailing on the ocean. Yeah. Say there's a time when the sea gets rough, the wind is blowing and the fishes keep moving. What are you doing, Mr. Man? Sit down, hold on tight, get ready, cause we are sailing. Big ship sailing on the ocean. We don't need no commotion. Big ship sailing on the ocean. We got to come over. Big ship sailing on the ocean. Whoa.
shake your body, baby, do that conga. No, you can't control yourself any longer. Come on, shake your body, baby, do that conga. No, you can't control yourself any longer. Come on, shake your body, baby, do that conga. No, you can't control yourself any longer. Feel the rhythm of the music getting stronger. Don't you fight it till you try to do that conga beat.
enchanted, feeling hot, hot, hot. Keep up the spirit. Come on, let's do it. Feeling hot, hot, hot. It's in the air, celebration time. Music sweet, captivate your mind. We have this party song, this fundamental jam. So we got bum bum bum. Yeah, we're bum bum bum. Feeling hot, hot, hot. Feeling hot, hot, hot. Oh, Lord. Ole, 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 ole. Ole, 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 ole. Ole, 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 ole. Ole, 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 ole. Yes, girl. People in the party, hot, hot, hot. People in the party, hot, hot, hot. They come to the party knowing what they got. They come to the party knowing what they got. I'm hot, you're hot, he's hot, she's hot. I'm hot, you're hot, he's hot, she's hot. Real hot, real hot, real hot, real hot. How you feeling? How you feeling? How you feeling? How you feeling?
Aruba, Jamaica, ooh, I wanna take you. Bermuda, Bahama, come on, pretty mama. Key Largo, Montego, baby, why don't we go? Jamaica, off the Florida Keys. There's a place called Kokomo. That's where you wanna go to get away from it all. Bodies in the sand, tropical drink melting in your hand. We'll be falling in love to the rhythm of a steel drum band. Down in Kokomo, Aruba, Jamaica, ooh, I wanna take you to Bermuda, Bahama. Come on, pretty mama, Key Largo, Montego, baby, why don't we go down to Kokomo? We can take it fast and then we'll take it slow. That's where we wanna go. We down in Kokomo. Martinique, that Montserrat mystique. We'll put out to sea and we'll perfect our chemistry. By and by we'll defy a little bit of gravity. Afternoon delight, cocktails and moonlit nights. That dreamy look in your eye, give me a tropical contact high. Way down in Kokomo, Jamaica, ooh, I wanna take you to Bermuda, Bahama. Come on, pretty mama, Key Largo, Montego, baby, why don't we go down to Kokomo? We can take it fast and then we'll take it slow.
get it. I mean, he will give us an ultimatum: either get it or
Get out.
exactly.
What are you saying, Betty? What are you saying?
Yeah, well, I say the boss has something to do in here. He cannot ignore, no boss or she cannot ignore problems among co-workers.
Nope.
Nor foster this kind of tattling or name-calling, poor manners. I mean, there are rules, and everybody should be expected to follow them in that same workplace, and that's the boss's job.
Back in a moment.
It's just signing some papers.
It's a house.
Uh-huh.
Why are we doing this again?
Well, okay. We could just stay where we are and the baby can bunk with us.
It's a great house.
It's a great house.
Strength when you need it. Secret. Strong enough for a man, but pH balanced for a woman.
You okay now?
Much better now.